Hey yo. Ghana entertainment industry. Hey ya. Hey yo. Me no ka say Shatta Wale any Sammy Flex. Or no one Sammy Flex. Trendy. Nah. Ghana entertainment industry on. Ada Shatta Wale beka se wa breno. Ebe ya. Hey. Ada Ghana ebe denya ni Shatta Wale say enough is enough. Mo kra ma bremo. I'm sure it be a month or two. Yen never saw Shatta Wale na sia kopa na chose papa. Okoe na agronumu nye de. Yaw. Me no ka say Shatta Wale trendy because of incident na ekoso ewo UK no. Shatta First UK ama so. Eno achi no Shatta Wale aba bonten abekasa bebre. And I think say enra Shatta Wale eko one of the fans ni be life so. Na during the convo no Anna Wale eko kan say
Omo Jimmy do me feel obia see enjoy so me long john na wa bisa no me na me manage me whole Shatta movement to me obia ma mister what was here me crew ni mu obia ni ho a obetima ka say wakofa sike bia bra me say me fa nya bibi de bia omo ti ona me makopa sika ba na e dia ye bibi makopa sika ba na e dia ye bibi because omo me small mu e bia billionaire fie ana obi fie kwa obi antumi nkoji bibi ama me me kun obi a woman chembia me krami ya me ko peska me be say me na me ko peska enzam so na me tun obi am say na Ghana ye ma mo chance ade mo jimi mo ni opportunity fans no grab the opportunity from me fans na ka o me fan me no a print t-shirt o say oton na me boy bi on na me chen na obi my friend say we me say onu we jimi ama me nim de ano recently na me catch some friends Sammy sa nkwasi stone boy sa dey be was stone boy dey be also jai sa dia no ye ton gold card in my fans we want to know our fans take 4 months 6 months nyem pay agenda bibi abema yenska na etumi abo fans no na nyem fanye mo sorry na be some flesh like TV na today stone boy okay some flesh okay say our radio season still podcast no you no think I say on still officer radio season and say about places say you give visa amount because I love their money visa amount and I'm want to blast them because visa na engineer mojedro uncle be some papa me papa call me come to make a chance say the kind nonsense
yo and some na Wale kan ye no come here say Ghana entertainment space globally te home penten kwa no eduru ba bia medwene ho a mente ase say asemu no ya fa no hu a kire say your short memory. Say asama Shatta Wale catch Sammy Flex come here say ya fight tonton sansan yi bom etiem jubilate say Shatta Wale aka asem bi say ya catch Sammy Flex the mechanic say aden your entertainment space no your short memory sana because any like a month or two ana me ti hey me ne Shatta Wale tena say one-on-one or TheBonahShow so or London and Shatta Wale can asem ni nyina wo show ni so o se nipa obetimi na ye adwuma nipa o tena say Sammy pe because and some Shatta Wale can me pese me kasa ma no yanko he video no show video ni wi a opa twa sa part ni posti.
An artist's world is different from the physical world. It's a whole spiritual movement. If you don't understand an artist, who all manager, now my friend on 9 o'clock wamba. And someone any of the class wamba. Me, most of my old managers had that problem because some people say, me catch an no person again. Say, was at the end of me na me tunyum no na fans na ka hey na obi afrel enyem me anka obi amfrel enti mama opposition me to ball position yi don't member share me so cause o share me so I mean to me create and I don't want to be in an environment where be me Sammy wo ha me ne nkasa me sorry na memuna Sammy bisa ne say me bufu sisia me to me catch sisia the next 5 minutes of Sammy who say me nya benku bi anka we do ba wait, okay, let me go to some so they were programming no because on was study managers no say mo Jimmy guy no nyo bia no kwase bi keke na and some so fam kwase me so penesa but so want to am fam sa na want to fam say wo nyan science me so me nyan me ha no nyan san dey me bi because world I me won it's a different world, you know, because we are creatives and sometimes when I want to record, if I'm saying me ndakaka, I mean sorry, if I want to drink small, smoke small, not do drug abuse, manager no share na say money okay. Ubama me say chance na me dey say money, but the moment you see me like, no, I want you to do this. No, don't do that. That is why most artists have problems with their manager.
And besides, Opa fresh Sammy says and Busan say, Sammy, no what I say my wali be catcher no, but Strabaka say now we say and bibia. But right now, I say, you're funny person, I say chinchine trying and as wale, what be did Sammy tem and a dear and dear was a Sammy. Hey yo, hey yo. Say after all these years, Yene Shatta Wale atena. Yehu Shatta Wale day in, day out. Na still la and send me say Shatta Wale ba bonting ebeka na still a ye news or Ghana on. And ye Ghana entertainment industry on. Yeah. Well, to me say Wale ne Sammy them I no more straight now. Because video ni no Wale can say me nyina. Also no betimi Sammy akon within 5 minutes obesa kire Sammy say papa kope dokunin sardine shitobra. And Sammy hu ni say enye live bia. Enu ti na Wale na mu enu mu to o se Sammy penny nipa o te na se obetimi na ye adwuma. Enu ti na still a oni Sammy nam no. And I think say ensem we nya ensem ebetimi atete Shatta Wale ne Sammy ntem. Ye nyina enim ni a asie. Ye nyina enim ni a asie. Enyoma na ade na asi no. What nchen ya won te asie o, but ade na asi no. Shatta Wale yesa no. Wale ye nipa ohun nyoma more than metima ka say 99.9% of Ghanaians are omaye kuntan wo ye entertainment industry ni so. Enyoma Shatta Wale hu no. Metima ka say 99.9% omu hu bi. Na oni mama Shatta Wale ni omo start ya ene Shatta Wale pe ne gina ma sankrofoni nyina ye pomo ye hu omo. Uni nipa dodo a Wale ni omo sha uni musicians dodo a Wale ni omo nantia over the years abedru na Shatta Wale pe da so gina ho eye ni a oye no obi agya anyom to. Eyaw. Esha. Anu nti no mo amu jubilate no me kind of crack them we enshare anye lie pia. No, I'm me kind of crack we enshare anye lie pia. Asem ya Shatta Wale be kan ye enye news. Enye news. Me say any 2 or 3 months. Me ne Shatta Wale tena ase one on one or can the same thing. E o London chess Sammy. Ye interview no sabi na Sammy o dem obi. Omo all can cry no mu nyina esre. Ono am Sammy na mu nim normal. And this is not even the first time or the second time. Ana enye the last time. Normal. Sanyo ma we no esia. Sabi Sammy is smart. Obeti na se more okay. Now no baby say na Wale pese efa. And more times your uncrophobia or ha omuni omu element ma ye wonu krebi o ha omu ntimi nka nkyerɛw just say omu ko omu element mu ansa no matima spit facts no any the direction na opese mu movie no and Shatta Wale is one of them because Wale say oni ni element mu a boy onu be diago be mo asre saa mo adwen nyina ayoya but so oni element mu a ne die ne so no like obe put you on the right path. And Shatta Wale obia oba bontin bodin ka asem bi kire okwan na now you smarter ofaswa ubedi ye and people say follow the one who knows the road. Shebe be your friend be abedru anywhere for our accumulative through music. Enti saa nipa na catch us say Sammy baby a onam ne nya. Oko Bible mu cross nipa osura nim kan bia no oya boa. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Now, until I'm out.